Hello and welcome on the stream. I will share my MT5 chart very soon, so just have little bit of patience and it will be shared. I'm waiting for. Let's view. Let's view where it is. Here it is. I hope the trade is in my favor. I cannot look at the screen right now. Okay, so the trade is not in my favor. Going. Let me connect my. Let's view. Let's view cast. Here it is. And now we are all set to rock the marketplace at USD CAD. We had all this run. The market opened at here. We are back at market opening. I think not. We are not back at. Yes, we are back at market opening. Market went up, came all the way down to the market opening, and now it's time for the Asia session high to be taken out. It's Asia high. Let's market as Asia high. Asia high. What happened, man? Wait, did that got deleted? Here it is. Now let's mark it as Asia high of today's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, April 15th. Okay, so we are good to go right now. We are in $100 in profit. The last trade's loss was $120, and we are in $116 in profit right now. So if we win this trade, we will be in a profit of like $900 around. Yes, around $900 profit we will gain if we get a profit from this trade. Market is struggling to get over this CB, which is this one. Let me highlight it for you. This CB, the market is struggling to get over it. The market is struggling to get over this CB. If we get a any body candle closer above this CB, then we will be good to go above. But till now we don't have any such closures. Here the candle tried to go up, dig it inside the fair value gap, but it closed below the fair value gap at the last. So but market has begun to barcode here. I mean the accumulate orders. We are aiming for 1 is to 8 9 8.5, that is almost 1 is to 9 trade. I have risked around 101 plus 50 $150 for it, for $1,000, that is less than 1 is to 10 trade. If we remove the uh, commissions, then it is 1 is to 10 trade. But we have to take commissions in account because the trade is not without commission, because the trade is not commissionless. Let's look at other USD pairs. USD JPY, we will get the very idea of what is going to happen. So we have a liquidity swipe here as well. So the market can go to the high side quite in some time. We have this order block. Here goes USD CAD, and this is going to be our trade. If one enters here, then it will be 1 is to 3.4 trade. Still a good trade. But I entered somewhere. Let me. Yep. The market is again trying to come lower. Actually, I entered at this low here. One tick less. 1 is to 9 trade it is. We were in a macro time frame and we have just left the macro time frame. The market showed this impulsiveness in the macro time frame. It cleared out all the liquidities. The market can still go lower, but I am still hoping for the higher prices. Just look at 1 hour time frame and see the market. Okay, the market is has just opened a new candle and it has created the bottom wick, and I hope this mass block is becomes the support for the candle to go higher. Looking on the 15 minutes time frame, we have swiped out this liquidity, and now we are looking for higher prices, but overall market structure is bearish. And if we look at this price leg, the market is going bullish. So I hope this becomes the next bull run to take out the liquidity from above. Looking on the 5 minutes time frame, we are still bullish. bull, Bull side, high low, high low, higher high, lower low, liquidity swipe. Now we look for a trade to the upside. So let's come back at a minute time frame. I am just forcing my trade to be winner, but I know the market can go up because there is liquidity above. USD CAD is a quite a slow market. I think as I will get out of this trade and take a trade on USD JPY instead, or I will not trade any session anymore after this trade. Let's look at GBP USD. All the markets are kind of messy right now. None of the markets are good. All the markets are messed up for now. Uh, the market is trying to get above this CFD, but it is failing again and again. So I think this will be a stop loss, and I will stop trading for the day. And there won't be any NY session right now today as well. So this is going to a stop loss. Okay, so we just touched the depth and came back to new life. Let's see if this candle does the same, or is this here, or this candle is just a fake out. Let's see the mass does the job or not. There's a reason that it is called mass block. There is a reason that it is a called mass block. Let's see if the mass does the job or not. We are spending quite a lot of time in this range. We were just few ticks, like one or two ticks away from the stop loss. 660 entries. The market is trying to go up, but the fair value gap is resisting it. Like it has become an inverted fair value gap, and I am still bullish, but market is always uncertain, so we can't say anything. Let's see if the market wants to go up higher or not. Well, that is Asia high, and this is London session. We are just few and few ticks away from the stop loss. We are at the entry point. Just one candle can take out, even a small candle can take out our stop loss. But we are still in here, struggling and fighting to the TP, heading till the end. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's see. I think this is the new 50 minutes candle, and I think it should print little bit higher, but there is a fair value gap in 1 minute time frame that is resisting the prices a lot. I mean a lot, and the prices are trying to go lower as well. So we have a volume imbalance opening with lower volume imbalance low opening. So here we have a bearish candle. We are just two ticks away from the stop loss, one tick away from the stop loss. I think the stop loss should have been a little bigger. That means the volume should have been a little higher, little lower, but that's not a problem at all. We will get $200 in loss at max, or 200 and something. Yeah, we are stopped out. Hmm. USD CAD is not our asset to trade. Where is this in the list? Let's come at USD JPY. It is going down. Let's look at our losses. We have lost $272 in total, so it's like $300 in loss. Euro USD going higher. Did it swipe any liquidity? Yes, it did. So did we get any thunder fair value gap? We did get a thunder fair value gap as well. Let's look at GBP USD. It will give most more cleaner information on what is going on. We had the lower last 100 fair value gap here. It was supposed to be utilized as soon as we get a body candle close above, and we had a stop loss with this. This is going to be our, actually I'm not going to take any trades now, as I have lost $272 in total. Yeah, the market is going down. GBP USD, let's come at GBP USD. We have Asia high still untouched from the last, this is New York high from the last day. We have market structure shift here. We have market structure shift here. Let's come back at 50 minutes time frame. The market is rangy. Then we have this ultimate liquidity inside. So it would be very risky to take this trade if even if we get our model, but we will surely try to take the trade. Now let's come at USD JPY. The USD JPY is falling like a star. We didn't even get any entry in this, did we? Let's watch and try to recognize if we had any entries. Actually, we did not get any entry at all. Not according to my model. The GBP USD has begun to come down, and yeah, if support and resistance traders want to trade this, why not? Support, resistance, support could be a good trade for them, but not for us, the SMC traders. Lot of fall. Euro USD, USD JPY, nothing. Dixie, it's, the market is under consolidation, so I won't recommend anyone to take any trades. So here is our trade from the Asia session. It hasn't went anywhere. At least we are not stopped out. We are stopped out in break even. I don't think the market today is tradable at all. Not before we get the meeting that we all were looking for. choose we our entry. We have CISD plus FVG. If the market comes down to this area, this trade, we might take a trade. We have an SMT here, I think, with GBP and USD. You see high, low, but here is low, high. So the market can go to uh, so the market can go to correct the SMT. Dollar index is going lower. So USD JPY as well is going lower. This is going to be our last trade. We have this liquidity swipe. Let's come back and to let's come back to evaluate get a market structure shift. Here we have market structure shift. This candle. Let's remove it. If we get a market structure shift, here the market is responding from the I think it is inversion fair value gap. Not this is not. Let's come back at GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro USD came all the way to this 100 fair value gap, and now it is going up. Means if the GBP USD as well will go up, meaning yeah, yo shit man, the USD JPY showed the signs of bullishness. Now it confirms it as a mass block, but do I have the strength to take this trade? $272 means I have $130 more. USD JPY new chart. It's too much. If I take a trade here, stop loss goes below this low, I will have to lower the this can do the job, but the TP will be set at all the way to higher. 40 plus 10 is 100. It's 120. I have 130 left, so I think this can do the job. I'm sure this can do the job. Let's look at dollar index. If it is willing, has any wills to go higher. It does have a liquidity above, then liquidity swipes, but I don't see a proper setup here. Euro USD, GBP USD, both are in ranges. Okay, Let's play the limit order. So market did came here and went up. I don't think the market will come back again here. So we missed a good trade right now. Shit. Really a best good trade we have missed. We really have missed a great trade. $900 worth of profit is lost. After $800 worth of profit is has been lost. Let's wait for the market to come back. So GBP USD must be going lower. Euro USD as well. So we have this liquidity swipe. Then there will be this market structure shift. If we have this liquidity swipe and there is going to be a market structure shift, the Euro USD will go down and we will get a setup to get into the shorts. Let's come at USD JPY and let's see if we had taken this trade. If trade was a fill. The stop loss was here. Shit, man. What a great trade we have missed, man. What a big great trade I have missed. We missed an golden trade. A golden trade we have missed. Let's look at Welthor of 100 account and see how many days I have traded today. WELTG admin.welthor100.com. Account age is 14 days trading days, so tomorrow will be the 15th trading day, and after that I will be able to take a payout. Market tried to come back but it failed. We touched the mask block, and that is how it should work. The mask blocks are not easy to touch and retouch at all. If I take a trade here, put my stop loss all the way to this place, then that's going to cost me a lot. Oh shit, man. shit, man. That was a great trade that I have missed right now. A literally great trade I have missed. I want to be part of this trade for real. Oh, yeah. I really wanted to be part of this trade. I should have been attentive. I should have my put attention on this chart here instead of looking on the other pairs. Euro USD. Let's see if we get a CISD. Yeah, the Euro USD has begun to go down as well. So we have a CISD. If I take a long from here, then I can put my stop loss at below this candle. So this will be a risky trade, but I don't want to be part of this trade right now. Not before this USD JPY creates actually this is not my model, so there is no point taking a trade here. Here is CISD, here is FVG. Now let's see if this FVG holds or not. Let's make it blue. Okay, now if we enter right now, actually the FVG should be this one. Should we take an entry to the long side? I I am glad that I did not take the entry, but I am getting the FOMOing of taking an entry right now. The entry should have been here, but entry is not triggered yet. So just wait. I should have placed the limit order already. Euro USD, GBP USD. The Euro USD is going lower from this 100 fair value gap that is here. The stop loss will be previous candle's high, and we are aiming for 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. That is this low. 1 is to 6 would be good. GBP USD the same will be here as well, but we did not swipe the liquidity here, so we don't have any kind of 100 fair value gap. By the way, you can get 25% off on wealth or funded accounts if you use code SachinM. The market is trying its best to come down and fill us in, but this week is becoming a problem. So we are still waiting for an entry. I said I was being foregoing to take an entry here, right? And we are glad that we did not take an entry at that time. Let's look at Euro USD. Dixie. Okay, so the Dixie has went up, but the USD JPY is trying to come down. The Dixie has also created a inversion fear a breaker and also started to reject from it. So we are good with our analysis, I think, about USD JPY. And now we just wait for a retype of our mass block. That will be our entry. If we get a retype, then that would be great. But if we lose 91 plus 50, $140, and I think that is a fair uh, amount. Seeing that our exit is $1,000. I hope the weight 159,109, 159, 109, 159, 109, 109, or is it 159, 148, 148. Why is this not updating right now? So the request failed. 159, 109, 159, 109, 171 is also there. 159, 147, 159, 147, 150, 147, 148, 147. Let's try to modify now. So it's modified this time. Okay, so let's see if we get a trade. Let's try and this one is to 15 RR. Let's try to publish record idea. The market did not trade below this swing low. The market did not trade below this swing low. That is our problem. We wanted the market to come down, take our entry, then go up, but that did not happen. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. The market is going for the 1:5 per hour. Should I take a market entry here? But I'm hesitant to. Hmm. We are just waiting for this candle to type into our. Patience is all that we can have. There is nothing in this world without patience. Let's look at Euro USD and see how is that performing right now. It's 1 is to 6. Let's drag it to 1 is to 5. We are nearly 1 is to 4 RR. GBP USD. We have an SMT with GBP USD and Euro USD. USD JPY. Let's look for news. We don't have news right. We have a news at 5 a.m. Industrial production 1 mm. Euro. That might that might impact USD pair. Then we have some orange folder news on USD. Well, I will attend you back in 5 minutes. Give me Hello everyone. So I have returned now and I can see the market has fallen from the highest point it had went. I hope the market doesn't fall for the whole session now. Okay, so the dollar index has had a fall. It cleared the buy side liquidity, but the USD JPY failed to follow the dollar index. Let's look at USD JPY. Euro USD created filled the completed the target. GBP USD went below as well, but USD JPY failed the dollar index. I think it's been quite enough of a time here streaming 1 hour plus. So I think I will stop the streaming now and get back to you in the New York session. Or maybe I can no, I will get back to you. I will stream for 7 minutes more and then I will close the stream. I think in 7 minutes the fate of this uh, trade will be decided for sure. It was already 1 is to 5 RR. I didn't take it. That's my bad. The fate of this trade will be decided in next 5 minutes. In the 4 minutes, the fate of this trade will be decided. Was that recorded? I hope that was not recorded. So we are in. What was our loss? Our loss is $272. We are at $299 in profit. So $272 Let's round it at two. Last 2 minutes of this 30 minutes candle. We are in $149 in profit. Let's say 200 was our loss. Last second or 30 minutes candle is closed now, and we are in the next 30 minutes candle. So we should see some bullishness now. We are in still $150 in profit right now. 160, $150 in profit. This is really a good profit to go home with, believe me. Whether I get 50 to 25% off on Wealth or funded account with code SachinM. The link is in the description. Oof. We are still in this accumulation right now. I tried to enter here but failed. The market again gave me a chance to enter into this markets. I entered the trade. Now the trade is in our favor, but we have still not recovered the drawdown amount that we are in right now. We are in $272 in drawdown, and we are in profits with we are in profits 172, that's 272. It's most likely $300 in losses we are. And if we close this trade right here, then we will recover all the losses. But we also need 50 more dollars. 272 plus 270 plus 50 is $320. We need $320 at least to be break even, or we will be in losses. By the way, the time to close the stream has come. I will close the stream now. It's been quite long since I am streaming. Well, this is the trade, and it's 1 is to 15 RR. If anyone has taken this trade with me, just hold on to it, press the SL to VE, and have a good day. Be safe.